Hi, welcome to Monflo, where you can exchange assets in just a few clicks. Let's walk you through how to make an exchange from your dashboard. Once you're logged into your Monflo account, everything you need is right on your dashboard. Let's take a look and then proceed with making an exchange. To begin, select the currency you want to exchange from. Monflo supports more than 20 cryptocurrencies and more to come. For this example, we'll exchange crypto euro for Polygon. Let's choose crypto euro. Then select the currency you'd like to receive. Monflo uses a decentralized exchange aggregator. This aggregator combines over 6 decentralized exchanges to analyze and secure the best price for your transaction. Enter the amount of crypto euro you want to exchange. The conversion happens instantly, showing the equivalent amount in Polygon based on the current market rate. Monflo provides a detailed breakdown of the transaction, including the total fees, a combination of network and Monflo fees, the market impact, and lastly, the conversion rate. You'll also see an estimated time for the exchange to complete, so you'll know when your funds will be available. After reviewing all the details, click Exchange to proceed. A pop-up window will appear to review your exchange transaction, showing all the details again for your confirmation. Once you've double-checked everything, confirm the transaction to finalize it. And that's it. Your exchange is now in progress. Thank you for watching. Sign up for early access and get your Web3 IBAN